Your thermostat keeps the RV comfortable, whether you're trying to warm up or cool down. To get started, press the round dial twice. That'll wake up the screen. Then turn the dial to choose your mode and press again to confirm. Let's start with heat. Select heat to warm the RV using the propane furnace. Once it's on, the system will cycle automatically, turning on when it gets cold and shutting off once your set temperature is reached. The furnace uses propane to create heat, but the fan and controls run from the house batteries. Overnight furnace use can significantly reduce the battery level, especially in colder weather. Before going to sleep, make sure the batteries are fully charged, keep the heat at a reasonable setting, and check the battery level again in the morning. And after turning off the heat, don't worry if the fan keeps blowing for a bit. That's totally normal. Now for cooling. Choose Cool to run the air conditioner. Just remember, the AC only works when you're plugged into shore power or running the generator. It won't run off the battery. The system is designed to cool things down about 15 to 20 degrees below the outside temperature. So if it's a really hot day, it might not feel freezing, but it'll definitely be cooler inside. And if the AC's been on a long time and stops blowing cold, it may have frozen up. Just turn it off for a bit, let it defrost, and try again later. One important tip: avoid the heat and cool setting. It's not supported and can cause the system to act up. Once you've used the thermostat a couple of times, it's easy. A few quick clicks and you're all set for the perfect temperature on the road.